Good morning, friends. There are several states and U.S. cities that are beginning to mail out checks this month, and many Social Security and senior citizens will be able to claim this relief. President Biden is working with Democrats in the House and Senate to help get this financial aid to Americans as soon as possible. My friends, this is your daily news report and fourth stimulus check update. So please do make sure you watch until the end of this video. Also, to say thank you for watching my videos, I will be giving away 4 $75 Walmart gift cards 4 days a week. Please enter the giveaways by clicking and liking several of my videos and then commenting below the keyword of each video that you watch. Dear friends, the more videos that you watch and then leave a comment on, the greater your chance of winning these giveaways. So here is the big news. The state of South Carolina is finally rolling out tax rebates worth up to $700 following a nearly $1 billion budget surplus. To be eligible, South Carolina taxpayers must file their state income taxes for 2021 by October 17, 2022. The South Carolina Department of Revenue will then determine the amount a taxpayer is eligible to receive and dole out payments via direct deposit or paper checks. Individual taxpayers who are eligible can be full-time residents, part-year residents, or non-residents, and they can receive the rebate as long as they paid South Carolina income taxes. Right now, $700 is the maximum amount a taxpayer can receive from the rebate, but the state will know if it has sufficient funds to raise a cap after October 17th, which is currently the state's filing extension deadline. The rebate has been approved by state policymakers back in June when they finished the state budget. There are many other U.S. states and cities that have finally put forward their new stimulus plans. Illinois estimated $1.83 billion relief package. It will include income and property tax rebates and a temporary cut in several sales taxes. Individuals who earn less than $200,000 in 2021 will receive a $50 income tax rebate, while couples who file jointly with incomes under $400,000 will receive $100. Filers can also earn $100 per dependent that they claimed on their 2021 taxes, and that is up to 3 dependents. So in all, a family of 5 can earn as much as $400. Comptroller Susana Mendoza expects to start cutting checks the week of September 12th, with distribution finishing roughly 8 weeks later. Democratic Governor J.B. Pritzker's family relief plan also includes several tax holidays and rebates, including a suspension of the state's sales tax on groceries, starting now and continuing through June 30th, 2023, and also a permanent expansion of the earned income credit from 18% to 20% of the federal credit. So friends, it's great to see that many lawmakers are finally beginning to take action for their residents. Friends, the keyword for this video is Rock River. If you would like to enter the next Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. Remember friends, the more videos that you leave a comment on, the greater your chances of winning these giveaways. Leaders of the Massachusetts state legislature say they will act to provide one-time tax rebates of $250 to eligible individual taxpayers and $500 to eligible married couples. The announcement comes as residents face high inflation and the state has collected historic surpluses. Budget watchers at the Massachusetts Taxpayers Foundation expect that the legislature will have a surplus of $3.6 billion when the final accounting of the fiscal year is complete. According to a joint statement issued by House Speaker Ronald Mariano, Senate President Karen Spilka, and others, eligibility for the one-time tax refund payments will be based on annual income reported in 2021. Those eligible will need to have earned at least $38,000, and the maximum will be $100,000 for individuals or $150,000 for couples. If implemented, the payments would be sent out before the end of September. The budget for the state's new fiscal year could include a $600 million tax relief package. Massachusetts Governor Charlie Baker has pushed for the budget to double tax credits for dependents and childcare, double the allowable maximum for the senior circuit breaker property tax credit, and increase the cap on deductions for rent payments from $3,000 to $5,000. Governor Baker said in an official statement, "Whether it is a rising price of gas or groceries, the Massachusetts legislature has heard loud and clear that increased costs due to inflation have cut into family budgets. One-time rebates of $250 for a taxpayer who files an individual return and $500 for married couples who file joint returns will be issued to eligible Massachusetts residents before September 30th, 2022.
That's over $400 a month. Many families simply can't afford this. Under this administration, prices of everyday goods are skyrocketed. For example, gas prices hit an unprecedented $5 a gallon. Energy services like electricity and natural gas are up 19%. And groceries have increased over 12%, the highest jump since 1979. Americans are paying more for just about everything. The social spending pushed by members on the other side of the aisle is a key driver of today's inflation. Simply put, record high spending by the government means record high prices for the American people. Unfortunately, the bills before us do not reduce spending or reflect the economic realities we face. Many of these bills receive double-digit percentages increase, including a 70% increase for financial services and general government, an 18% increase for interior and environment, and a 12.2% increase for transportation, housing, and urban development. At a time when Americans are struggling to pay for gas and groceries, the federal government should be reducing spending. We should prioritize core responsibilities such as our...
Well, my fabulous and beautiful friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you so much, friends, for joining me every day and watching my videos. Please enter the giveaways by clicking and liking several of my videos and then commenting below the keyword of each video that you watch. Thank you and have a wonderful and blessed morning.